Hello, welcome to Technology Unplugged. Today I want to show you how you can place your Google AdSense code into your WordPress sidebar using a widget. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress account. I'm going to log in from my website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You log in. Start admin. This is my own case. So what you're going to do right now, once you're here, you're going to go to Appearance, Widget, you scroll down, you look for the custom HTML, then you drag it to where you want it to be at. So your sidebar. So let's say you want it to appear here. So you can just place it anywhere you want. Okay, let's keep it here. Okay. So you can just give it a title, My Arts. Then right now you're going to log into your Google AdSense account. I'm already logged in, so you're going to grab a code. So if you don't have a code already, so you have to create a new ad unit. So I already have a code here, so I'm going to grab one. So I have to click Get Code. So this is the code. You have to copy the code entirely. Copy. Then you go back to your WordPress admin dashboard. Paste it here. So after you're done pasting it, so you have to click on save. After saving, so you're done, you go back to your end to your website. You're gonna see. So you see the ads, My Ads, and this is the ad running already. So this is how you're going to add your Google AdSense code onto your sidebar using widgets. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take 1 second to click the subscribe button and also click the bell button. Thank you very much for watching.